This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit that like button or comment, double check it's working properly, because they're working overtime. Suppressing the channel, suppressing the videos. Listen, what these criminals are doing to MULN is really next level. There is no way the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI can claim that they are protecting the market, that they're protecting retail investors, when they allow this level of malfeasance to go on every single day. I don't understand how the CEO of MULN hasn't filed a formal report with the SEC, with the DOJ, with the FBI. These numbers are unprecedented. I have never seen anything like this in my life. This is absolutely crazy. And the only reason they're able to do this is because the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI are practicing willful blindness to the obvious fraud and corruption that's right there in their face. I mean, it is sickening what they're doing to MULN. And I know you guys, think the CEO is terrible. I don't think he's a great guy either. But this goes beyond the CEO of MULN. And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell MULN. I'm not telling you to do anything with MULN. I'm telling you that this is evidence of overwhelming fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. I mean, there's no other explanation for what we're seeing with MULN. Listen, the volume was 398,335,820. Okay? 398 million. That's 26 times the float in one trading day. How can they trade 27 times the float in one trading day, and the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI stay silent to this overwhelming evidence of fraud and manipulation? The dog pool volume, 45.31%. The dog pool volume was 180,482,718. 180 million. That's 12 times the float went into the dog pool. And the short volume, 175,802,204. 12x the float was shorted. How do you short 12 times the float of a company in one trading day? How do you do that? It is obviously counterfeit shares that serve no purpose than to manipulate the price of the stock and rob and steal from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. The SEC can't say they don't know. The DOJ can't say they don't know. The FBI can't say they don't know. FiNRA can't say they don't know. DTCC can't say they don't know. The DTCC is supposed to be watching the trades. When they see 26 times the float of a company traded in one trading day, they don't stop and say there must be some type of fraud going on. This is really sickening. Okay? This is really sickening. And the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI should be ashamed of themselves that they're allowing this to happen. 26 times the float in one trading day. And on top of that, they're claiming they can cover all their MULN short positions in one trading day. These guys put 12 times the float of MULN. They shorted 12 times the float of MULN in one trading day. And they are claiming they can cover all their MULN short positions in one day. Make that make sense. Make that make sense. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think trading the float of a company 26 times in one trading day should raise the antennas of our regulatory agencies or law enforcement agencies? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.